Yeah, but I'm not going anywhere.
We're not going anywhere till you ask us something.
Let's go to another
Or do
place
something
in this building.
with somebody's flashlight.
Speak.
Speak, it said. What was that? Did you just hear him? Can you say ghost? He said to my father.
Okay. Can you grab that box? Yeah, can you grab that box, Lex?
This one?
Grab the case.
The case?
This case.
This one? I
Yeah.
can't.
Follow me with the flash.
Can't do
Give me
it.
the flash. Lex, what do you got? Butterfingers now? Ghost.
Ghost. Hello? Is anyone here with us? He makes some kind of noise, just like he did before.
So there are other rooms. Let's hit other rooms. There's nothing else, huh? Want to head outside and go to the other building? Might as well. Come on.
Hitting it said. Nice, it said.
Wow.
God said. What does it say?
What's this?
What's that? Let's go in it.
Wow. Go.
Go, it said.
Wow, look at that. Kid. Well, we ain't afraid of no ghosts, that's for sure. Ghosty, 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 come out, wherever you are. You in there?
No, Casper.
Really?
The deer said.
The ring of fire.
Hey, does anyone like to speak to us? Can you say Dave? Or X?
Where was that other building though that we seen?
It's up there.
It's over here.
It's over there.
Yeah, we gotta go up here, up the stairs.
I know.
You hear that?
Jesus Christ, it said.
Oh,
It said Jesus Christ, I'm not kidding you.
oh, I heard it. I heard it.
I'm not freaking. It's scary, it said. That's freaky. And scary.